So, you've just bought the brand new Dacia Bigster, or maybe you're seriously thinking about it. You're excited, and you should be. But, what if I told you that a simple mistake, one that thousands of new owners are already making, could cost you thousands of dollars and ruin your ownership experience? Stick with me because in this video I'm not just going to tell you what that mistake is, I'm going to reveal all 7 of the biggest pitfalls and show you exactly how to avoid them. Hello and welcome to Supercar. The Dacia Bigster 2025 has taken the world by storm, offering incredible space, style, and value. It's a brilliant family SUV, but as we've just hinted, we're already seeing owners make some common, costly mistakes. Today, we're diving into the 7 biggest mistakes Bigster owners are making, and more importantly, how you can fix them to save money, avoid frustration, and get the most out of your car. If you're a fan of smart, practical cars and want to make the most of your vehicle, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You won't regret it. Mistake number 1. The premium illusion. Let's start with a mistake that happens before you even turn the key, a mistake of mindset. You're treating it like a premium SUV. The Bigster looks fantastic, it's rugged and imposing, but its greatest strength is its value for money philosophy. We see owners trying to turn it into a Range Rover on a budget, spending thousands on non-approved accessories, or complaining that the dashboard isn't made of soft, squishy leather. This completely misses the point of the car. The fix is simple. Embrace the Dacia philosophy. Appreciate the clever engineering that gives you so much car for the money. The hard-wearing plastics are there, so you don't cry when your kids spill a drink. The simple tech is there, so it's reliable and easy to use. Celebrate its smarts, not its supposed lack of luxury. Mistake number 2. Driving the hybrid all wrong. Next up, a mistake that could be costing you at the pump every single day, especially if you opted for the excellent hybrid model. You're ignoring the hybrid system's nuances. Many owners are just getting in and driving it like a regular petrol car, with aggressive acceleration and braking. This forces the petrol engine to kick in constantly, completely negating the fuel-saving benefits of the hybrid system. The fix is to learn how to drive it efficiently. Use a gentle foot on the accelerator to stay in electric mode for as long as possible around town. Most importantly, use the B, or brake mode on the gear selector. This dramatically increases the regenerative braking, capturing energy that would otherwise be lost and feeding it back into the battery. In stop-and-go traffic, you can almost drive with one pedal, saving fuel and your brake pads. Mistake number 3. Overestimating its off-road prowess. This next one is a big one, fueled by the Bigster's rugged good looks and, honestly, all that marketing hype. So, you're taking it on trails it was never designed for. Yes, it has high ground clearance and a tough look, and the 4x4 version is definitely very capable. But it is an all-weather SUV, not an all-terrain rock crawler. It's built on a car platform, not a ladder frame like a Jeep Wrangler or Land Rover Defender. Taking it on severe off-road courses risks expensive damage to the suspension, exhaust, and underbody. The fix is to know its limits. The Bigster is absolutely brilliant for gravel tracks, snowy roads, muddy fields, and getting to that remote campsite. It gives you the confidence to go further than a normal car. Just don't confuse it for a purpose-built off-road machine. Stick to the trails, not the cliff faces. Mistake number 4. Ruining the essential interior. Alright, let's move inside the cabin, where, honestly, a simple cleaning error can cause permanent damage. You're using the wrong cleaning products. To keep costs down and durability up, Dacia uses a lot of hard, textured plastics. They're tough, but they are not invincible. A huge mistake owners make is grabbing a harsh, solvent-based cleaner or an abrasive magic eraser to clean a scuff mark. This can strip the finish, cause discoloration, and leave a permanent shiny or faded patch that looks far worse than the original mark. The fix is to be gentle. use a pH-neutral interior cleaner and a soft microfiber cloth. For most dust and dirt, a damp cloth is all you need. Appreciate that this interior is designed to be wiped down and forgotten, not pampered. Mistake number 5. The false economy of skipping service. This is perhaps the most financially damaging mistake on our list, and honestly, it's born from a pretty dangerous mindset. You're skipping or delaying the recommended service schedule to save money. Because the Bigster is a budget-friendly car, some owners think they can apply that logic to its maintenance. But wow, this is a massive false economy. Modern engines, especially the turbo, LPG, and hybrid systems, are complex. They really rely on specific oil grades and regular checks to run reliably and efficiently. Skipping a service to save $100 today could actually lead to a multi-thousand-dollar repair bill tomorrow, and it will almost certainly void your manufacturer's warranty. The fix is non-negotiable. Just stick to the service schedule in your owner's manual. It's honestly the single best thing you can do to make sure your Bigster remains a reliable and faithful companion for years to come. Mistake number 6. Ignoring the clever tech. Let's talk tech for a second. The Bigster has some brilliantly simple and clever features that, honestly, many owners are completely ignoring. You're misunderstanding the infotainment and the UClip system. Owners of base models might complain about the lack of a central screen, completely missing that their smartphone is the screen. Dacia's Media Control app is a fantastic piece of software that integrates your phone perfectly. Likewise, we see owners who haven't even unwrapped the clever UClip accessories. The fix is to explore. Download the Dacia app and see just how seamlessly it works. Experiment with the UClip system. It's a modular solution that lets you place cup holders, phone mounts, or even a small light exactly where you need it. It's Dacia's smart thinking in action, and you're missing out if you don't use it. Mistake number 7. Choosing the wrong engine. Finally, here's a mistake that's made right in the showroom and affects every single drive you take. You chose the wrong powertrain for your lifestyle. The Bigster offers a fantastic range of engines, including petrol, LPG bi-fuel, and hybrid, each with specific strengths. The mistake is not matching the engine to your primary use. For example, a high-mileage motorway driver who chose the entry-level petrol might be disappointed with fuel economy, when the LPG or hybrid would have been perfect. A city dweller who bought the LPG version but has no local filling stations will face constant inconvenience. The fix happens before you buy. Do your research. If you do mostly short, urban trips, the hybrid is a no-brainer. If you do long distances and have access to LPG, the bi-fuel will save you a fortune. Just be honest about your driving habits and choose the engine that serves you best. So, there you have it. The 7 biggest mistakes Dacia Bigster owners are making. The common thread here is understanding and appreciating the car for what it is, a smart, practical, and incredibly capable value-focused SUV. By avoiding these pitfalls, you're not just driving a cheap car. You're making a smart ownership choice. What do you think? Are you a Bigster owner? Do you have any other tips to share? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching Supercar, and we'll see you in the next one.